Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build at expenses app using Expensify integrations easy tutorial. To begin, log in to your Expensify account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the top right corner, locate the settings icon. Click on settings to access integration options. Scroll down to find the integrations section. Select the integration you wish to use for your expenses app. Read the integration details to understand its functionality. Click on the Connect button next to the selected integration. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, return to the dashboard. Now, click on Create a new report. Fill in the required report detail. Next, navigate to the Expenses tab within the report. Click on Add Expense to input new items. Choose the appropriate category for each expense. If your integration allows, sync expenses directly from bank accounts. Review the entered expenses for accuracy. After confirming the details, click Save to store your report. To finalize, navigate to the Export option. Select your desired export format for sharing or analysis. Follow any additional prompts to complete the exporting process. If needed, revisit the dashboard to check your reports. This allows for easy tracking and management of expenses. Ensure you regularly update your app with the latest data. Utilize any additional features provided by the integration for improved functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.